Hi, what's going on YouTube? Since I still have a little bit of time left, my plan is to go ahead and pressure wash this trailer right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stain it just like how I did the deck right here. It's a 2018 model trailer and it's been like 10 years since I have this trailer right here. I never stained it, but if I stain it, it's gonna last me a whole lot longer. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna try, well, I'm not really gonna try any of this product on this trailer right here, but what I wanna try is try this degreaser right here on my tractor over here. So I'm gonna spray some of this right here and see if actually remove some of the grease, because I tried to pressure wash it in the past before. Let me try this degreaser right here, because it says it's good for tools, driveway, outdoor furniture, marine, kitchen, bathroom, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning use. Well, I'm gonna try a little spot right here first and see if it works. We're gonna let that sit for maybe 5 minutes and then we'll come back and check on it. Okay, well, let me check this out right here. They sent me this product right here. So we're gonna recommend starting with the lowest concentration as outlined on the dilution chart. So I guess this is the chart they sent me. This is the original degreaser. Then you have the foaming. Well, they didn't send me the foaming action one, but it's okay. I have this one right here, which is the new can, which is probably well, the same as the foaming action one, and they have the all-wheel cleaner as well. Shoot, man, I'm gonna try to use this to actually clean my rims on my truck. That might be a good test for it. The thing about it is I hate scrubbing. Full strength, drain open, floor wax remover, garbage disposal oven for the outdoor barbecue grill. Yeah, lawnmower, tractor, chainsaw, sprayer, farm equipment. Okay. Auto parts, engine, tire, underbody shops, inboard, outboard engines and stuff like that. So you can dilute it. Plastic furniture, pool area, tools and driveway. Usage ratio. I don't know. There's a lot of information when I send you this product right here. So I'm gonna try it out and see what it looks like. Okay, well it's been about 5 minutes. Take some off, but it's not really a lot. Just gotta keep scrubbing. I don't know. Here, let's try this. Let's try to rub it in there. Well, it comes off, but I think we need a brush or some sort to get into the crevices. These seats, man, they get really dirty fast. Or maybe I'm just not good at cleaning. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, it looks like it's removing some, but it doesn't really get inside that well. I guess I'm gonna have to spend more time on it and see if that works. I wish it got on the inside really well. I mean, it's removing some stuff, but I don't know. That was this one right here. So, and this is really not grease. This is like, I don't know what it is. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pressure wash several boards at a time. It's gonna be very messy, so I may want to move my camera somewhere else. Let's try to remove as much grease as possible with this. So I'm just gonna try one board and see if we can, like this is the most dirty one. So let's try to spray this and see if it actually will remove. Yeah, see if it'll remove some of the black stain on here. I'm not sure if this is what we're supposed to use it on, but Hey, why not? And now I'm gonna let it sit here for a few minutes. I'll come back and pressure wash this in a little bit and see if it actually remove a little bit more stuff. I mean, I can see a little bit of dark stuff right here, but now I'm just gonna let it sit and see if it does help a little. But I'm gonna do this section over back here now. Okay, Preston, can you go back on this side over here, please? Okay. Yep. Thank you. Well, it did try to penetrate into the wood a little. It leaves a lot of soap. Very soapy. A lot of soap on there. Pretty aggressive. Yeah, it's very nice. I think that's as best as this thing will do. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stain it. See if the stain will catch on it. Gotta let it dry. Open it up. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's it. All right, well, today's the next day and everything, the wood has dried pretty well throughout the day and we're not supposed to get any rain for the rest of the day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle this little project here while I'm here. And it should be pretty easy to do because it's nice and dry again. All right, let's see, what time is it? It's about 4:22 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this. I'm gonna start this section right here and work my way towards the back there. So let me blow this, any dirt on here first. All right, now I'm gonna use this to keep my knees from getting hurt so bad. What I'm going to do is start painting or staining this stuff. Before I do anything, I'm gonna stir this up. I'm gonna use this metal here because I don't have anything else to stir it with. I think that'll work just fine. And this is not semi-transparent, it's actually a solid color. So this will actually show really nice and thick on here. And I believe I just need like half a gallon of it to cover the whole entire trailer. It looks clean the way it is now, but I'll make it look a lot, put a fresh coat of paint to make the wood last a little bit longer. Just gotta be patient. We're looking at about 4:30 now, right? Yeah, 4:28. I've been wanting to do this for like a long time already, but Man, what a bummer. What a bummer. I ran out of paint. Only got one board left and a half almost. So now I gotta go to Home Depot and get me one more can of paint. I don't know if they have the small quart, but if they do, I'll probably get that. It's a cedar natural stone in solid color. So let me go to Home Depot and check and see if they have that. Just like I said earlier, I actually ran out of paint. So I had to go to Home Depot and buy another can of this paint right here. So cedar natural stone, solid color. That's all they had on the shelf. I didn't want to make the guy go get the other one. I mean, I don't think anything's wrong with this one, but I just gotta finish this and then I'll be done. So the solid color has a 10-year warranty. The transparent color has a 5-year warranty on it. Okay, it looks like I have a little bit left here and I'll be done. When it dries a little bit dark. When it goes on, it looks orange, but when it dries, it actually blends in. Not too bad. All right, this trail looks really nice now. It's 7:18, so I started at 4:30. So it would have took me about 2 hours exactly if I didn't have to go to Home Depot and buy more paint. But the end result is awesome for this trailer. It's just too bad I had to buy an extra can, and I don't know what I'm gonna use it for next, but I guess I'll find out when that day comes. And now I'm gonna put it away, and I will see you guys on the next one.